welcome back to my channel Arty at Night. I am Sanya, and in this video, which is tutorial video part 2, I am going to take you through the process of how I painted this wall mural. Camera is set. Let's begin. Resuming from where I left in my last video, I'm starting by painting wave-like lines on the petals. The part of the flower which is in the shadow is darker. That's why the line strokes will be closer together. And in the lighter part, for example here, where the petal is folding, about 7 to 8 lines are enough. We do not have to overdo it and make it look chaotic. Filling the petals is the most fun part. To draw like a child with no intention of being perfect, just enjoying the process and freedom of being ugly with my work. These parts are like breathers in between work without any loss of efficiency. Here I do whatever I wish to do or feel like doing with the lines, making random waves, somewhere thick, somewhere thin, starting from anywhere, either ends, or the center itself from where it can travel alongside its sibling lines. At some places, I even merged multiple lines at one point to create the effect of a bump. Make it look sort of three-dimensional. That is why I haven't drawn any guidelines here. Covering this part of the leaf was tricky because, as you can see, I'm right-handed and I kept on banging my hand into the side wall, hence the frequent shifting and staying in quiet, awkward positions.
अभी कुछ दिनों से सुना है दिल का मुझको बता, कहाँ क्या तेरा पता, अब तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर है, ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता।
Now, this is the part I have kept you guys waiting for a long time. The finished look that I haven't yet shared on Instagram. Instagram! I guess it goes without saying. If you don't already follow me, then my handle is _Arty_satnight. Link is in the description. Follow me up for regular content. And coming back to the topic. I can't stress enough on how stunningly magical the fume effect on this leaf came out to be. I have fallen hard for its fluid-like appearance. In case you didn't notice, the natural lighting gradually went down, and that's unfortunately and fortunately because of the infamous Mumbai rains. This was a beautiful time. Heavy Mumbai rains, romantic Bollywood songs playing in the background, cold weather, and art. A complete package of bliss. I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and until I see you next time, bye bye.